Hi guys! I am Regine and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share about content ideas. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell para maging updated ka sa aking mga videos na ilalabas. So without further ado, let's get started. How to start YouTube channel. How to grow your YouTube channel. How I edit my video. How I edit my thumbnail. How I edit my YouTube banner. How I edit my YouTube intro. Filming, vlogging setup. What's on my phone? DIY vlogging setup. Morning routine. Night routine. Skincare routine. Hairstyle tips. Study with me. What's in my bag? Makeup tutorial. Makeup review. Makeup collection. Blindfold makeup challenge. Reaction video. Song cover. Dance cover. Dance tutorial. 10 fact about you. Current favorites. Mobile games. A day with me. Who knows me better? Study tips. Room tour. A house tour. Workout routine. How to stay fit. Outfit ideas. Try on haul. Steps on how to cook blank. Editing app for iOS and Android. Favorite book. Product review. Mukbang. Expectation versus reality. TikTok compilation video. Reacting to my old video. Try not to laugh challenge. Whisper challenge. Chubby bunny challenge. Never have I ever. Lie detector. Buying everything in alphabetical order. Jojowain o totropahin. How to make a slime. Educational video. Unboxing. Everyday essentials. Travel essentials. College tips. Eat it or wear it. Q&A or question and answer challenge. Prank video. Things to do when you're bored. DIY clothes. Monthly favorites. Truth or dare. How to earn money. How to save money. Birthday vlog. New Year vlog. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can help your channel. Bye!